mostly welcomed here. Now, the new chapter, Footprints Without Feet. Actually, this is a story that is given to you, or it has been given in the syllabus of 10th standard. However, Footprint Without Feet of H.G. Wells is a novel. That is titled as An Invisible Man. Actually, Wells has written a scientific fiction. The total story of this chapter depends on science and its invention. Here, that is amateur scientist known as Griffin was the student of physics, and he was very much interested in a special or a rare drug. Actually, in his research, he has pointed out the refraction of the object, that how it will be vanished in the presence of excess light. That once he was just, actually it was not his intention to do something, and therefore the point comes out whether science is ban or boon, curse or boon. But it can be used for your own beneficial purpose, as the research of atomic bombs, nuclear bombs. It has power to protect you as well as destruct you. So, whenever the aim and objective or intention of user gives idea about the destruction, and when it is used for destruction, that is the curse, whereas it is a boon. The invention of electricity is a boon to us, but it is a curse when it is used in different directions. So as the invention of rare drug. Actually, Griffin was researching, and he was not in intention to use it in a wrong manner. But as he was very much interested in invention, he hadn't much money. Therefore, first of all, he has robbed his father. As his father has taken others' amount or money which he had into his house, but Griffin has robbed that, stolen that. And because of it, Griffin's father felt insult that he is to be blamed because of wasting of money. Therefore, he shot dead himself. He committed suicide. But it was not a bit affected to Griffin's and his research. He was busy in his research, he was doing that. Once he has hired a room and carried on his invention. When he has got the perfection of the rare drug, he wanted to examine it. Then He first of all experimented over the patch of wool, that is object, that is woolen object, it can say. Now he has used that one thing, and because of burning, because of extra light, he has thrown it into the space, and hardly he could find that object. After that, he got a kite and forcefully he applied the drug over the kite. Now, the whole body of the cat was become invisible as a solid sheet, but it was invisible to the eyes. Such solid sheet that was transparent, was looking nowhere, and only two things were remain as the claws and the septum of the eyes, that were remain unchanged. आँख की जो पुतली होती है वो नहीं चेंज हुआ, और उसका क्लाज जो पंजा था वो नहीं चेंज हुआ. द रेस्ट ऑफ whole body was changed, but the cat was mewing the whole night. Okay. Now, this was a cause of fuss that has become the cause of quarrel, and now Griffin has settled his all the experimental instruments in the apartment where he was living. But the lady who was living in the next door of that apartment has complained to the landlord in whose apartment Griffin was living. Now, the landlord came to Griffin and he was trying to inquire about the unnecessary noise of a cat in the whole night. There was a little bargaining occurred too, and because of it, the landlord, when about to enter in the room of Griffin, Griffin has bullied him, pushed him, okay, and then shut the door from behind. And he thought then after that as I have not given the rent of this month or week to this landlord, he will just order me to evacuate the room, to leave the room. So, in order to outsmart the landlord, now Griffin himself had swallowed the rare drug. Okay? He has swallowed, he has drunk the rare drug. And after a long interval, gradually his body was to be changed. But in the evening, his landlord came once more to his apartment in order to give a notice of evacuation or giving the rent of the house. He has seen a Griffin, that is the ghostly appearance of Griffin was shown to him, and that was a frightening situation. Okay. Now, in the morning, Griffin was completely invisible. He was outside of the room, and along with landlord, the next door lady also busy to search Griffin. Griffin was sitting outside and enjoying. Why? Because he was not seen then. Then after he settled all the things, all his valuable items, and he carried it somewhere else, and then after he lit the fire. He set the fire in the apartment. The apartment was burning, and he escaped from that place. Now it was the thing, whenever he was wrapping his body with the bandage or with the cloth, he looks visible. And whenever he removes his cloth from his body, the portion that is removed now becomes invisible. Actually, Griffin has done only in order to save himself, but unluckily the season was very worse. That is difficult. It was winter season, and thus Griffin became homeless and wanderer. He was to move here and there, and once he has gone into a storeroom, that is mart, you can say, nowadays mart, where he has gone, he wrapped himself. He entered in the shop at the closing time. No one could see him. Okay, and he just enjoyed over the cushion, over the mattresses, and whatever kept in the kitchen, he has eaten all things. And the whole night he enjoyed. He was wearing shirt, he has been wearing pantaloons and other things, hat and something else. And in the hope that when early in the morning the shop will open, he will run away from the shop. But he was very much tired and he was feeling comfort, therefore he slept for a long time. He could not awake in that right time. And thus he was seen by the workers. And there was a great hue and cry while he was running here and there. They were trying to catch him, they were trying to arrest him. And at this, the police has been caught. The police was called at that moment. Griffin could be saved himself when he removed all his clothes. Then he became invisible? No. So once more he started to wander here and there. The next, as he was going, actually he wants to close his body, wrap his body. So he wanted just a shop, that is opium. Actually, in order to wrap his body or in order to keep himself safe. So he went, he got a storeroom, and the owner of the storeroom was an old man. He entered secretly, that no one could identify him, and got a chance, as he has searched the necessary things for himself, as for example, the whiskers, the moustache, bandage, plaster, and many more items. As he was keeping all these, at that moment, the owner of the shop could understand that somebody has entered in my house, and he was just watching up and down. But last moment, Griffin could get a chance and pushed him and just gagged a cloth into his mouth, tied his hand and foot, and then robbed everything, adjusted himself, and now he returned to Epping in order to find out. Actually, he was fed up from his rare drug, as he had swallowed the rare drug and he became invisible. Therefore, he came to Epping in order to search the antidote of rare drug, antidote of invisibility. He came to Epping, and also he has hired a room there. The lady, that is Mrs. Hall, was very much amiable, and she has given him very much favor. Why? Because very first, as he went to Epping, now he has given extra money to the hostess, and thus hostess was very much pleased, because that was off season of the tourists. So she was trying to talk to him, but Griffin was unfriendly to her. She went into the house, into the room, but he was surprised. Now she thought that she had seen something else, some mysterious things, as she could see that in the whole body the eyes are not seen, as it is hollow. So he had been seen keeping bandage over his head. She thought that he might have suffered from accident. Therefore, but by and by, as there was the driver there was a clock mender who came to the room. Now clock mender had seen some mysterious things, and Griffin was very irritated temper to the watcher, that is one who was making the clock. Now the clock mender meets Mr. Hall and informs him that there is a guest at your house and very mysterious he is. Okay. Now Griffin told Mrs. Hall to bring his items. Why? Because he has kept his items at the post office, and the coach driver bought the all chemicals. That was thousands of bottles, more than thousands of bottles were there. But one thing was quite different, that dogs were identifying this invisible man. अच्छा, हम तो सब इंग्लिश में ही चल रहे हैं, मतलब सब तो इंग्लिश ही में ही चल रहा है, कुछ दिक्कत? मतलब मैं बहुत हल्की चल रहा हूँ. Now, here also some mishappening occurred, as foreign side, that is the driver, has a dog with him. Now, as he was unloading the bottles, Griffin came to the spot. The dog attacked over Griffin. Dog attacked over Griffin, and Griffin ran very quickly. But the trouser of Griffin was torn by the dog. As dog could not find other portion of Griffin, only the leg. Therefore, the trouser was torn, and when the trouser of Griffin was torn, that was seen nothing. नथिंग वॉज सीन. जैसे पायजामा फट गया तो कुछ दिख नहीं रहा था. तो फॉरेन साइड वो जो ड्राइवर था वो बड़ा आश्चर्य किया कि अरे ये तो कुछ मामला है. तो अब ग्रिफिन वॉज नोटेड एज सस्पेक्टियस फिगर हियर इन ईपिंग, एंड he became suspicious. Now, as he started to live in Epping, he was not consulting to anybody else. Always he was living in the house. Somebody now tried to find him, tried to see him. But once something mishappening occurred, as Mr. and Mrs. Hall were actually going to do something, as for they were preparing for the festival, and they have gone another room in order to find the wine and something else. As they were going, the room of Griffin was open. She entered into the room and she just fumbled the bed. The bed seems very cold because Griffin was not there. Griffin has gone to the clergyman's house and he robbed the clergyman's money. As he was robbing the clergyman's money, they heard the noise, and now the clergyman, having a knife, just pushed open the door, said surrender, thinking that a thief has entered into his house, but they saw nobody. At this moment, very quickly, Griffin goes to his house, goes to his room, and Mrs. Hall observes that whatever the things were kept there, automatically lifting here and there. As the cap is being lifted, she was surprised. She has kept the furnitures. Griffin took the furniture, and one can see the furniture automatically lifting up and advancing towards Mrs. Hall. Mrs. Hall was very much surprised that the furnitures are haunted by spirit. No doubt the scientist has such power as the spirit. Therefore, there was howling. So, Griffin has pushed the lady from the chair. Mrs. Hall went out, and as Griffin shut the door behind, the door of Griffin was bolted from outside and was not given any refreshment at that time. Many a time Griffin was just knocking the door from inside, but nobody was opening it. She has called many Now, because of this hue and cry, somebody also came and to Mr. Hall's house, and there was police and something else. Anyhow, Griffin could open the door and he came. Mrs. Hall wanted to clarify that why this person has not been giving my fare, the rent of the room. Now, as far as Griffin was such a person who was easily bored and becomes irritated, in a short tempered, he had just put the nose and kept it in the tray of Mrs. Hall. नाक को उसने पेरिस प्लास्टर से बनाया था, हाँ, प्लास्टर ऑफ पेरिस बनाया था, तो नाक उसकी दिख रही थी। तो जब उसने अपना नाक निकाल के रख दिया तो अब यहाँ तो कुछ नहीं दिखेगा, कुछ आश्चर्य दिख रहा था। और जब वो नाक थी तो उसको देख करके वो, अब पुलिस भी आ गई, सब कुछ आ गया। धीरे धीरे जब यह थक गया तो सोचा कि अब हम सरेंडर कर देंगे, कोई दिक्कत नहीं है। अंत में ये अपने धीरे धीरे कपड़े निकाला और सबको मारा पीटा और उसके बाद भाग गया। बाद में जब यह जाता है तो एक ड्रंकार्ड मिलता है इसको, पियक्कड़। ड्रंकार्ड तो वही है, वो खाई में अपने जूते नाप रहा था, अंत में वो भाग गया। एक दूसरा आदमी इसको मिलता है, तो इसका नाम थोड़ा सा मैं मिस कर रहा हूँ, तो उसको वह अपने साथ रखता है, काफ़ी दिन तक उसको अपने साथ रखता है। अंत में इसको लोग दौड़ाते हैं, गोली भी चलती है, इसको लगती भी है, या अपने एक पुराने मित्र के घर चला जाता है, लेकिन वहाँ वह एक्चुअली वो डॉक्टर रहता है, तो वहाँ भी ये सेट नहीं हो पाता है। अंत में पुलिस वगैरह मिल करके इसका मर्डर हो जाता है, और जब मर्डर हो जाता है तब इसकी बॉडी देखने को मिलती है कि ये ग्रिफिन है। ठीक है, चलते हैं स्टोरी को देखते हैं। अब इसमें कितना है ये तो मैं बता नहीं सकता। Now, can a man become invisible that cannot be seen with naked eyes? This is a story of a scientist who discovers how to make himself invisible. Does he use or misuse his discovery? Actually, it was not the fault of Griffin. He has gone to Epping in order to search एंटीडोट ऑफ इनविजिबिलिटी। मतलब एक तो दवा इसने बना लिया था कि पीने के बाद आदमी इनविजिबल हो जाएगा, सॉलिड सीट हो जाएगी, ट्रांसपेरेंट हो जाएगा, कोई देख नहीं सकता है। ठीक है, तो रीड एंड फाइंड आउट हाउ डिड द इनविजिबल मैन फर्स्ट बिकेम विजिबल, and why was he wandering the streets, moving here and there, moving here and there. The two boys started in surprise at the fresh muddy imprints of a pair of bare feet. Now here, as The story begins that Griffin was introduced here as an invisible man already. It was winter season and he was invisible, and as he was going through the roads or streets, his foot was bare without socks and shoes, and the imprints of his feet was coming over the fresh muddy soil. सॉयल जो था मडी था, उस पर जब वो चल रहा था तो उसके पैरों के निशान बनते जा रहे थे. एंड टू बॉयज वर फैसिनेटेड, वेरी सरप्राइज्ड, fascinated, that two boys were very much surprised to see that the imprints are just made over the muddy soil. अभी यहाँ कुछ नहीं है और मान लीजिए पैर के निशान बनते जा रहे हैं, तो एक सरप्राइजिंग फैक्ट होगा कि ये निशान कहाँ से बन रहे हैं यार, कि मतलब ये निशान बनते जा रहे हैं. ठीक है, तो निशान बनते जा रहे थे आँख के सामने, यानी कि वह ग्रिफिन था जो उस रास्ते जा रहा था. तो ग्रिफिन की बॉडी तो नहीं दिख रही थी, लेकिन ग्रिफिन के पैरों के इम्प्रिंट्स यानी कि निशान उस मिट्टी पर बनता दिखाई दे रहा था. यस सर मत बोलो, बोलना बंद करो. नाउ मडी इम्प्रिंट्स ऑफ पेयर ऑफ बेयर फीट. व्हाट वाज अ बेयर फुटेड मैन डूइंग ऑन द स्टेप्स ऑफ ए हाउस. तो वह अब उसका पैर का निशान कहाँ तक गया, स्टेप ऑफ द हाउस, स्टेयर जो था घर किसी के बंगले के पास, तो उस पर था, तो वहाँ भी निशान लगे. तो ये कह रहे हैं कि आखिर में ये आदमी के निशान बनते जा रहे हैं, तो कैसे इसके निशान बनते जा रहे हैं. नाउ तो कहाँ ये बन रहे थे, स्टेप्स ऑफ हाउस इन द मिडल ऑफ लंदन, that is in Great Britain, in between the city of London. And where was the man? They were trying to see here and there, but they were not getting. As they gazed, a remarkable sight met their eyes. They saw some remarkable sights. Seen. They saw something that was remarkable. That was very important to them. A fresh footmark appeared from nowhere. Fresh footmark appeared, that was seen from nowhere. Means the man was not seen, only the footmarks were visible. Further, footprints followed one after another. Footprints were being made one and then other. एक के बाद दूसरा ऐसे फुटप्रिंट बनता जा रहा था, उसको वह देखते रहे थे. डिसेंडिंग द स्टेप्स एंड प्रोग्रेसिंग डाउन द स्ट्रीट. जैसे स्टेप से उतर रहा है और प्रोग्रेसिंग डाउन द स्ट्रीट, आगे बढ़ रहा है. तो ये बच्चे क्या कर रहे हैं, द बॉयज फॉलोड फैसिनेटेड. हाँ, दे वर वेरी मच एक्साइटेड टू फॉलो देम. Fascinated, that is, they were excited, and they were following. They were following them. Now, until the muddy impressions, that is the sign or marks, impressions, marks became fainter and fainter, dim. If the feet is muddy, few steps can be imprints found. Prints can be found up to few steps, and then after it will be impossible. कुछ दूर तक तो फीट दिखाई देंगे, पैर दिखाई देंगे, मतलब उसके निशान. जैसे अगर पैर गीला हो या पैर में मिट्टी लगा हो तो कुछ दूर तक पैर के निशान बनेंगे, लेकिन उसके बाद गायब हो जाएंगे. फेंटर, फेंट में डिम. अच्छा, हम लिखना भूल गए कुछ। लाइट, हल्का, फेंटर एंड फेंटर, धीरे धीरे हल्का होता गया। नाउ and at last disappear altogether, finished, not seen further, disappeared, that was not seen further. The explanation of the mystery was really simple enough. It was very simple. The bewildered boys, confused boys, bewildered, confused boys, confused boys had been following the scientist who had just discovered how to make the human body transparent. How to make human body transparent. They were just chasing or following such a scientist, but actually they were unknown about it. ऐसा नहीं है कि वो साइंटिस्ट को फॉलो कर रहे हैं, ये राइटर लिख रहा है कि वो साइंटिस्ट को फॉलो कर रहे थे, बट द बॉयज वर अननोन अबाउट सच पर्सनालिटी। 40 हो जाए तो बता देना। नाउ Griffin, the scientist, had carried out experiment after experiment to prove that the human body could become invisible. Finally, he swallowed, drunk, drunk, swallowed, he has drunk certain rare drug, that is unavailable, that is unavailable, it was not easily available, a rare drug. Now, and his body became transparent as a sheet of glass, though it also remained as solid as glass, but was not seen. ऐसा नहीं है कि क्वेश्चन दिमाग में आ सकता है कि शीशे के सीट के समान उसकी बॉडी हो गई थी, यानी कि जो भी उसके पार्ट्स ऑफ बॉडी हैं वो शीशे के समान सॉलिड थे, तो उसको दिखना चाहिए, लेकिन ट्रांसपेरेंट था, यानी कि उसके बॉडी के इस पार से उस पार तक हम देख सकते हैं। जो भी ग्रिफिन का इंटरव्यू लिया था, ठीक है, जैसे ग्रिफिन बैठे थे और इंटरव्यू दे रहे थे, तो ऐसे बैठे थे, अपना हाथ उठाए और नाक हिला दिए उसका, ठीक है, नाक पकड़ करके दूसरे का जो इंटरव्यू ले रहा था, इंटरव्यूअर था, नाक पकड़ के हिला दिए। अब वो बेचारा परेशान, अब बताइए यहीं मैं खड़ा हूँ और इनकी नाक हिला दी जाए और कोई दूसरा यहाँ ना हो, इनको क्या लगेगा कि मेरी नाक कौन पकड़ के हिला रहा है? मान लीजिए मैं यहाँ तक पहना हूँ और यहाँ से इधर दिखाई नहीं दे रहा है, ठीक है, चलिए, तो ऐसा नहीं था, वो ट्रांसपेरेंट था, सॉलिड था, टच करने पर वो सॉलिड मिल जाएगा, पता चल जाएगा, लेकिन वो दिखाई नहीं दे रहा था। अच्छा, अब क्या है? ब्रिलियंट साइंटिस्ट, यस ऑफ कोर्स, he was brilliant, otherwise he would not have power to invent the drug. Now, brilliant scientist though he was, Griffin was rather a lawless person. A lawless person, he was not following the law, he was not abiding the law, he was not a lawful person, he was a lawless person, because he was doing something wrong. हाँ, lawless person. His landlord, 40 हो गया, अच्छा, his landlord disliked him and tried to eject him evacuation, eject him from his house. Now he wanted to remove him. Okay, he wanted that Griffin should not stay here in my apartment. Eject करना, निकाल देना. इन रिवेंज, तो जब वो इजेक्ट करना चाहता था, निकालना चाहता था, तो इन रिवेंज, अब रिवेंज कर दिया उससे. ही वांटेड टू टेक रिवेंज फ्रॉम दैट लैंडलॉर्ड, उससे बदला लेना चाहे. तो उन्होंने क्या किया? ग्रिफिन सेट फायर टू द हाउस टू गेट अवे विदाउट बीइंग सीन. ही हैड टू रिमूव हिज क्लोथ. अब अपने क्लोथ को रिमूव कर दिए, तभी वो अनसीन होंगे. अगर कपड़े पहने रहेंगे तो दिखाई देंगे. जहाँ जहाँ कपड़ा रहेगा वहाँ वहाँ, जैसे हाथ में ग्लव्स पहने हैं तो अंगुलियाँ नज़र आएंगी, यहाँ से शर्ट पहने हैं तो एक बॉडी नज़र आएगी, पैंट पहने हैं तो टांग नज़र आएगी. अगर वो शूज नहीं पहने तो उनका पैर नहीं दिखेगा. हालांकि ग्रिफिन को बड़ी समस्या हो रही थी, जब वो इनविजिबल थे और चल रहे थे तो बड़ी प्रॉब्लम होती थी उनको कि सीढ़ी से उतरते समय अपने पैर को कहाँ रखें, उनको खुद ही नहीं दिखाई देता था उनका पैर. जब वो इनविजिबल अवस्था में रहते थे तो अपना ये पैर कहाँ डाल रहे हैं उनको दिखाई नहीं देता था कि हमारा पैर पड़ कहाँ रहा है. तो इससे वो कई बार गिर गए. तो इनविजिबल होने से कितना आदमी का नुकसान होगा. सड़क पर चल रहे हैं, गाड़ी चलाने वाले आपको देखेंगे नहीं, ठोक देंगे. बस आप कर क्या सकते हैं? इनविजिबल होकर के कर क्या सकते हैं? किसी की चोरी चमारी पकड़ सकते हैं, घूस को पकड़ सकते हैं, ब्राइब जो है उसको कर सकते हैं, और हर प्रकार की चीटिंग कर सकते हैं, चोरी कर सकते हैं, किसी को मार सकते हैं. तो इनविजिबल होने पर यही सारी चीज़ें हैं. फिलहाल अब अगर इनविजिबल मैन पर बात चल रही है तो अब नेक्स्ट डे में क्लास लेंगे और वहाँ बात होगी कि क्या किया जाए. तब तक के लिए गुड बाय, थैंक यू, हैव ए वेरी नाइस डे.